participate in health insurance. With 98% of firms with more than 25 employees, or with 25 or more employees, offer their employees health insurance. That offer rate falls to only 72% for firms with 10 to 24 employees. If your firm has less than 10 employees, you have a less than 50% chance of being offered health insurance. So as we can see, firm size is a big determinant of whether or not a firm offers its employees health insurance coverage. Question?
Isn't there also the issue of take-up rate? So even if your firm offers
Yes.
health insurance, if you have access to premium, like health insurance policies that are, cost more, then you have more cost sharing shifted towards the employees. So even if you offer it, they might not be able to find.
Welcome. I'm Kyle from Van Vliet Insurance. I'm the health insurance agent here. I'm here to give you a little talk about open enrollment periods or enrollment options for health insurance in the year 2014 and beyond. This year we have two enrollment options. In years past there were no enrollment options. It was just come as you are and hopefully you get accepted. Well, this year your guarantee issue, which is great. The problem is you have to apply during set periods of time. The first thing to keep in mind is the open enrollment period, which we are in. Open enrollment lasts from October 1st, 2013 to March 31st of 2014. Keep in mind your effective date now depends on when your apps are actually submitted. So apps submitted in the first half of months, we'll say if you submitted an app December 2nd, your effective date would be the first of the next month, so January 1st. Whereas apps submitted in the second half of the month, we'll say December 17th, that effective date would be carried over to the following month, so February 1st. So you do have to do some pre-calculating when you want your plan to actually be effective and make sure you submit your apps on time. The other time to enroll would be a special enrollment period. Special enrollment period extends 60 days following qualifying events. Qualifying events are such things as family changes, so if you get married, adopt a child, give birth to a child, things like that will trigger a qualifying event, and you will have 60 days to apply after those periods. And that concludes my webinar on enrollment options. Stay tuned for the next webinar, which we'll get into the various penalties, and we'll also touch on your healthcare options.